Okay, peeps, today's product review is chicken flavored hot and spicy, no MGS added, and includes a chili pack. Now what we're going to do is we're going to heat this up, and basically what it is done in 3 minutes. Usually it's either a combination of added hot water or putting it, oh Jesus Christmas, look how many calories in this one container. Let's see here. Microwave 3 minutes. Okay, let's stand for a minute. Okay, so basically they want you to microwave it. But let's tell the good, the bad, and the ugly. This container is 430 calories. Fats is 19 grams, which is 24% of your daily intake. Saturated fats, 9 grams. Trans fat, 0. Cholesterol, 0. Sodium, 1,300 milligrams. Woo! Carbs, 54. If you're on a low-carb diet, this is not for you. Dietary fibers, 3 grams. Added sugar, 4, including 1 sugar added. Protein, 10 grams. No vitamin D. Calcium is 50 milligrams, which is nothing. Iron is 3.5 milligrams, which is 20% of your daily intake. And potassium is 740 milligrams, which is 15% of your intake. Overall, this is what we call useless calories. It doesn't add enough nutrition to, oh gosh, I can't say that word today, for the body to make it useless. This is something you would eat, just to eat, and it doesn't. So I'm going to go and heat up some water, get this microwave, and we're going to do 2 tests. We're going to eat it the way it is, and then we're going to put some chicken breasts in it, maybe a few other seasonings, and see if we can spice it up a little bit. I'll be back with you. Hey folks, so we got a couple of other things that were inside of it. We got a little garbage. This is just mixed. I don't know what it is, but we're gonna put it in there anyway. Mostly dried vegetables. Looks like I see an onion, and I don't know what the rest of it. This is most likely the seasoning. That smells kind of Cajun-y. And we have the chili sauce. Woo! Boy, boy, boy. Let's see what... That smells hideous. That is not very pleasing to the nose. It's almost like... Well, we're going to put that in there too. Okay. And we're going to stir all this together. All right. It smells like a hot mess. It's a mixture of spice, something hot. I don't even smell the, actually I don't smell the chicken much at all, but let's do a quick taste test and see what this tastes like. To be honest, it's not that bad. I thought the chili sauce was going to give it like that hyena kick, but it's extremely mild. It's not hot at all. Almost like a fancy class of oodles and noodles. Impressively, it's not bad. Now that we know that this, I would give it probably like a 6, 7, probably closer to a 7. It's not bad. It's not something I would go out of my way to buy again, but it's not bad. So let me add a little chicken breast to it and see what we come up with. Okay, so I got a little chicken breast all sliced up. I'm gonna go ahead and put this, add this in here. Spread it all around like the merry-go-round. Go ahead and take this lid off. Okay. So, you know what it would taste like without the chicken breast. Let's add the chicken breast. That's not bad. Now, alone by itself, it's okay. Like I said, I would give it a 7. But the chicken breast gives it a little bit more texture and make it feels more like a meal than just eating oodles or noodles, which is basically what you're eating anyway. I would not recommend this with anybody on a restricted calorie diet. It's not healthy whatsoever. But it's not bad. If you want to eat something quick and you haven't eaten, and you a little behind on your calorie intake for the day, or you just want to splurge one day of the week, I could find other things I would prefer to splurge on than this, but it is what it is. It's not bad. But with the turkey breast, it makes it feel more like a meal than just plain oodles and noodles. So adding the turkey breast does enhance it a little bit better. It makes you feel like you're actually eating something other than noodles. Like I said, I was really shocked that the chili sauce wasn't as hot as I expected it to be. It's very mild, so it's not going to, upset anybody's stomach or be too hot for anyone. But overall, it's not bad. It's okay. I mean, again, I wouldn't go out of my way to get this again, but it's okay. Especially after you add the turkey breast to it. I don't know why I got my mind on turkey breast. Chicken breast to it. Well, until next time, family. Eat healthy. Don't eat too much of this, though. Not healthy at all. Till next time, take care of yourself. I'll see you soon.